Hi again, everybody. Welcome back to science. Now that you guys have all learned all the different parts of bones, who'd like to play a game? The name of the game is Identi-Bone. So go ahead and get your paper and number it 1 to 6. And then as you can see here, we're jumping to number 8, then 12, 16, 24, 25, and then 30. Or you can go ahead and create your own little worksheet or copy it or download it. And what you're going to be doing, I'm going to be showing you several different bones, and you need to identify the type of bone and what organism you think it's from. None of these are human bones, okay? And you'll get extra credit for being very specific in identifying what type of bone it is. All right, so we're going to be starting with number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on and so forth. All right, so starting with bone number 1. Bone number 1 is this paddle-shaped looking bone. Okay, and you can look at it right here. Oh, someone left some trash there. Let's get rid of that. And take a guess as to what specific bone this is. And remember, we use scientific names. And what animal do you think it belongs to? That is bone number 1. Go ahead and pause the video at this time if you think you need to spend some time researching or taking a guess. Moving on to bone number 2. What organism do you think this is from? Look at those rows and rows of teeth. And you can see there's a lot of dried blood on this to give you a hint. Actually, it's not blood. It's, I don't know, some kind of paint or something. This was here before I was here. And this is bone number 2. So what type of bone is this? What organism? And please be specific. Pause the video. Bone number 3 is this big, long, baseball bat looking bone. Okay, I think cavemen used to use this to play baseball. So bone number 3, right here. What kind of bone and what organism? Bone number 3. Bone number 4. This object right here. It's got this long pointed area. Take a look down here. Oh my goodness, look at all those holes. I wonder what went in there. So what type of bone is this? And again, what animal for bone number 4? Bone number 5 is this thing right here. Okay, take a look at this. What specific scientific name can you give to bone number 5? Okay, write it down and give me a guess as to what animal is the owner of bone number 5. Bone number 6, right here, this long bone. Coming over here, it's got that section right there. One end looks like that. The other end looks like that. Bone number 6. What type of bone do you think that is? Skipping 7, going on to number 8. What do you think this is? Wow. And what animal do you think is the owner of bone number 8? Be careful when you touch these. I have had students cut themselves on those before. Bone number 12. Right here. This guy. What is this bone? And what is the owner of this bone? Where did this guy come from? This is bone number 12. Moving on to bone number 16. Okay, this guy right here looks similar to one of the other ones we looked at. Okay, what do you think this is from? And look at all those rows and rows of teeth in there. Very cool. Bone number 16. Moving on to number 24. Bone number 24. What is this guy? Here's the top part of it. Interesting. And the bottom part right here. Very interesting. 24. Number 25. Looks like there's 4 bones on this one. What are these? Scientific names only, please. And what organism is it a part of? Finally, bone number 30. This large bone right here. I wonder what this hole is for. Right. What organism is this? And what type of bone is it? All right. Fill in your answers, your final guesses, and we'll go ahead and correct momentarily. Thus ends Identi-Bone.